Troubleshoot static and default routes. Addressing table for these three routers, R1, R2, and R3, R1, R2, and R3, PC1, PC2, and the server, PC1, PC2, and the server, IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. Locate and document the problems. Okay, identify location, the problem, and the solution. Okay, for example, go to PC1. Command prompt and ping PC2. Okay, PC2 IP address is 172.31.0.254. Ping 172.31.0.254. Enter. Okay, request timeout. Ping fails. Ping fails. So review R1 configuration. Go to R1. Enter. Enable. Show IP route. Okay, you have two directly connected networks. Two directly connected networks, and one static route that is the default route using 172.31.195. The NAT hop address for R1 is the serial 00 on R2. So this IP address should be the IP address of serial 000 on R2. And the serial 000 on R2, the IPv4 address is 172.31.193. But in this case is 172.31.195, so it should be 193. You can see this on show running config. Show running config output space, and look at this. The default static route and the NAT hop is 195 and it should be 193. Space configure terminal, no IP route, the default route, and remove this default route 172.31.195, 172.31.195. Okay, no IP route, default static route, and the NAT hop. Enter. Okay, and set the correct. That should be 193, the serial 00 on R2. Okay. Remove only IP route, the default static route 172.31.193. Enter. Very good. Okay, and go PC1 and ping PC2 IPv4 address. Okay, from PC1 ping PC2. Okay, ping fails. Okay, ping fails, but R1 configuration is okay. The problem is placed now in another side, for example, R2, okay, to reach from PC1 to PC2. If R1 is okay, R2 is the problem. So review R2 configuration. Enter. Enable. Show IP routes. Now you can see three directly connected networks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, and 2 static routes. 2 static routes. The first static route is the destination is 172.31.10.25. Okay, is this 172.31.10.25? This is the destination. Okay, R2 will reach this network 172.31.10.25. Okay, this, and the next hop is 172.31.1.198. For R2, the next hop to reach this network is this serial 000 on R1, and should be 172.31.1.198. Okay, review serial 00 on R1, and the IP address of serial 000 on R1 is 172.31.1.194. Okay, and on R2 is 172.31.1.198, and should be 194. Okay, so we change this. Okay, also you can see this on show running config command, show running config, and this is remove this and change 198 and use 194. Okay, so remove this, configure terminal, no IP root. Okay, 172.31.10.128. 172.31.10.128 is 255, 255, 255, 128. 172.31.1.198. 172.31.1.198. Okay. Now, and the commands. Okay, remove, enter, and now configure the correct route, IP route 172.31.10, and subnet mask, that is this network, the destination. Okay, and should be 194. Okay, because the next hop of R2 to reach this network is serial 00 on R1, and is serial 00 on R1 should be 194. Okay, this is enter. Very good. And now review the another static route. Okay, to reach 172.31.1.128.26. Okay, to reach this network 172.31.1.128.26. Use the next hop 172.31.1.184. And for R2 to reach this network, the next hop is serial 001 on R3. Okay. On R3, serial 001 is 172.31.1.198. Go to R2, and it's 194, so change this. Okay, it should be 198. 198. Serial 001 on R3, serial 001 on R3, 198. Okay, so change this. Okay, you can see here the destination 128. Okay, this destination 128. Subnet mask 192, very good, it's 26, but it's 194, and use 198. Okay, remove this. No, IP root 172.31.1.128, 192, 172.31.1.128, 255, 255, 255, 192, and remove this. And remove this 172.31.1.194. 192.168.194. Remove this 194. Remove this, and should be 198. Okay. IP root 172.31.128. Subnet mask 192. Let's hop 172.31.198. Enter. Okay, and now review and show IP routes. To reach 172.31.10.25, to reach this network, the net hop for R2 is serial 00 on R1, and serial 00 on R1 is 194. Okay, very good, 194. And to reach 172.31.128.26, to reach this network on R2, the net hop is 172.31.198. And the net hop to reach this network for R2 is serial 001 on R3. On R3, serial 001 is 198. Very good. And now from PC1, ping to PC2. Go to PC1 and repeat ping 172.31.0 to 54. Enter. And now success. And now from PC1, ping the server. The server IPv4 address is 172.31.1.190. Ping 172.31.1.190. Enter. Okay, ping is failing. Okay, ping fails. So R1 configuration is okay, R2 configuration is okay. Review R3 configuration. Enter, enable, show IP routes. Okay, two directly connected networks. Okay, two directly connected networks, 1, 2. Go to R3. 3 static routes. 3 static routes. Okay, the first static route 172.31.00.24 is the destination. Okay, 172.31.00.24 is the destination. Okay, and the net hop is, in this case, uses the local interface serial 001. The local interface is serial 001. Very good. Okay, so you can see this also on show running config, space. Okay, destination 172.31.00 and serial 001. Destination 172.31.00 and the local interface to reach this network on R3, the local interface is serial 001. It's okay, very good. Now review another static route. The destination is 172.31.10.28. This is the network 172.31.10. 172.31.10. Local interface is serial 001. The local interface is serial 001 to reach this network, and it's very good. But the subnet mask should be 25, and on R3 says 28. Also, you can see this on the show running. Destination 172.31.10, and 240 is 28, but should be 25, and 25 is not 240. 25 is 128 here, and using serial 001. Okay, so remove this, configure terminal, no IP route. The destination, this network. Okay, 172.31. Okay, 172.31.10.240. 10.255.255.255.240, and using serial 001. Using serial 001. Okay, now to remove all this command, to remove all this, okay, enter and add the new correct root, IP root 172.31.10. Instead of using 240 as 128. 128 is 25 prefix. Okay, go to R3, serial 001, serial 001 on R3, very good, enter. Okay, and don't worry about this message. Okay, exit, show IP root to verify. Okay, and this is the destination 172.31.10.25, 172.31.10.25. Using serial interface serial 001, the local interface serial 001 on R3. Very good. And review this another static root 172.31.192.30, 172.31.192.30. Very good. And serial 001. Okay, to reach this network using serial 001. Very good. So this is okay. Don't problem. Not problem. Okay, and now from PC1, ping the server again. Go to PC1 and ping 172.31.1.190. Success. Okay, and now try ping from PC1 to PC2 using IPv6. Ping to PC2. PC2 IPv6 addresses 2001 DBA 3::254. 2001 DBA 3::254. Enter. Okay, and ping is failing. Ping is failing. Request timeout. Okay, ping fails. Review R1. Good. Enable show IPv6 root space. Directly connected network. Directly connected network. Okay, 2 directly connected networks, 1, 2, and 3 static routes. 3 static routes, and review these static routes. The first 2001 DBA 3::: prefix 64. Okay, is this 2001 DBA 3::: prefix 64. Very good. Go to R1 using serial 000. Okay, using serial 000. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, very good. Now the another 2001 DB8 4::: 64. Okay, 2001 DB8 4::: 64. Very good. Serial 000. Okay, to reach this network using serial 000 on R1. Very good. So this is okay. And now the another 2001 DB8 5::: 64. 2001 DB8 5::: 64. Very nice. Serial 000. Serial 000. Okay, very good. So R1 is very well configured. So go to R2. Show IPv6 routes. Space. And you have 1, 2, 3, 3 directly connected networks. 1, 2, and 3. 3 directly connected networks, and 1 and 2 static routes. Okay, review the fields. 2001 DB6 :1 : 64. Okay, no 2001 DB6 network or subnet. All subnets using 2001 DB8. Okay, so this should be DB8, not DB6. Okay, 2001 DB8 column 1 column 64. Okay, and should be this 2001 DB8 column 1 column 64 should be this. Okay, and the next hop is 2001 DB8 2 column 194. So on R2 to reach this network, the next hop is serial 000 IPv6 address on R1. Okay, on R1 serial 000 IPv6 2001 DB8 2 column 194. Okay, 194 2001 DB8 2 column 194. So this is okay. The only change should be DB8. Okay, you can see this also on show running config space. Okay, and is this IPv6 root 2001 DB6 column 1 column 64, and the next hop 2001 DB8 2 column 194. Okay, this is okay. The next hop is okay. We change this to DB8 and remove this command space configure terminal no IPv6 root 2001 DB6 1 column 64 2001 DB6 column 1 column 64, and the next hop 2 column 194 2001 DB8 2 column 194. Okay, DB8 2 194 DB8 2 column 184. Very good. Remove this command, enter, and now configure this the correct route to 001 DB8. Repeat the command and change IPv6 route to 001 DB8 1 column 64. Let's hop to 001 DB8 2 column 194. Enter. Okay, and review show IPv6 routes. Okay, 2001 DB8 1 column 64. Okay, this, and the next hop 194. Okay, very good. And now, okay, and review this another static route destination 2001 DB8 5 column 64 2001 DB8 5 column 64. Very good. Okay, and review this another static route 2001 DB8 5 column 64 2001 DB8 5 column 64. Okay, and the next hop 198 4 column 198. Okay, on R2 to reach this network, the next hop is serial 001 on R3. On R3 serial 001 4 column 2001 DB8 4 column 198. Okay, on R2 198. Very good. And all is okay. So from PC1 ping PC2. PC1 repeat 3 column 254. 3 column 254. PC2 enter. Success. And finally, from PC1 ping the server. The server is 5 column 190 to 001 DB8 5 column 190. Enter. Okay, request timeout, ping fails. Now R1 is okay, R2 is okay, go to R3, show IPv6 route. Okay, review the first, okay, two directly connected networks, 1 and 2. And on R3, 1, 2, two static routes. Okay, the first static route is 2001 dba2 : 64. 2001 dba2 : 64. Very good. Using serial 001. Okay, using serial 001. Very good. To reach this network, very good. And the another static route 2001 dba3 : 64. 2001 dba3 : 64. Very good. Using serial 001. Using serial 001. Very good. And no more static routes. And I need a static route to reach LAN 1, this network, 2001 db81 : 64. And it's not here. So configure that. Configure terminal IPv6 route, the destination 2001 db8. Okay, this one colon prefix 64. And using serial 001 on R3. Serial 001. And very good. And from PC1, ping the server. From PC1, ping the server 5190, enter. Okay. The server 5190. Very good. Okay, completion 100%. Thank you very much.